If Google Chrome won't open on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick and effective fixes that can help get Chrome working again. We'll start with the simplest step first, and then move through a couple of deeper troubleshooting methods if needed. These steps are easy to follow, and they can save you a lot of time compared to reinstalling Chrome right away. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, we want to make sure Chrome isn't stuck running in the background. Sometimes Chrome won't open because a hidden process is frozen, and launching it again just doesn't work. To fix that, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager appears, look through the list for Google Chrome. If you see it, click on it once to highlight it, and then select End Task. If there are multiple Chrome processes showing up, end all of them one by one. This helps completely close Chrome and clears out anything that may be preventing it from reopening. After that, try opening Google Chrome again and see if it starts normally. If Chrome still won't open, the next step is to restart your Windows 11 PC. A simple restart can fix temporary system glitches, memory issues, or background conflicts that are stopping Chrome from looting. To do this, click the Start menu, select the power icon, and then click Restart. Make sure you wait until Windows 11 finishes restarting completely. Once your desktop loads again, try launching Chrome one more time. In many cases, this alone is enough to solve the problem. Now, if Chrome is still not opening, another helpful fix is to run it as administrator. This gives the browser elevated permissions, which can sometimes bypass a problem caused by restricted access. To do this, find your Google Chrome shortcut on the desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click it and then choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Chrome may open normally with administrator access, especially if the issue was caused by a permissions problem. If that still doesn't work, the next thing to check is your antivirus software. In some cases, antivirus protection can interfere with Chrome and prevent it from launching properly. Open your antivirus program and temporarily disable real-time protection or whatever security setting is active. Then try opening Chrome again. If Chrome opens after disabling the antivirus, that's a strong sign your security software is blocking it. Just remember, this is only for testing, and you should turn your antivirus back on right after you're done. And if Chrome still refuses to open after all of that, you may need to look at more advanced fixes like clearing Chrome user data, checking for a corrupted profile, or reinstalling the browser completely. But in most cases, one of the steps in this video will get Chrome opening again on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.